Welcome everybody to another installment of Crypto Moose. The moose is loose. As you all know, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm excited because I am not sick anymore. I've been sick for weeks. And even when I filmed last week, I was really sick. Didn't really want to do the videos. But I'm happy to have you all here with me. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's going to really help us out. The market is up. He's feeling good. He is ready. Okay? So let's take a look at the screen. And of course, we're going to be going over the Meld Testnet. So what we're going to do after we go over the quick crypto market update, which we'll go over here, Bitcoin is climbing up. Okay, I think we've added about $40 billion in the past like 12 hours. So we were down a lot. And some of these projects are going up. So Bitcoin was at 22.3. Cardano up 10%. Looking beautiful. So on the portfolio, we're doing all right. Actually, I'm not going to share that today. But all around, guys, just good news on cryptos. Not bad. Considering where we were at just not long ago, it's not bad. It's not bad. So what are we going to talk about today? We're going to talk about the Meld Testnet. So for those of you that don't know what Meld is a lending and borrowing protocol built on Cardano's blockchain. And they're also offering interoperability. I'm going to be going to their website here. But they've opened up the testnet. I got a code. I'm also a diamond hands holder because I'm a savage. I was in the ISPO. So I don't know what you guys were doing. I don't know if you guys were partying or just not paying attention. But if you didn't get in the ISPO, I feel bad for you. So you were able to delegate the tokens that you earn through an airdrop. This was quite a while ago, but I wanted to share that news and brag about it a little bit. I'm not going to lie. So I got a Cardano wallet attached here. What is this? Just my NAMI. So that's kind of cool. So if you're looking to pick up Meld, I've done videos on it. Effectively, all you're going to do is you're going to go to MinSwap and then you're going to trade ADA for Meld. Very easy, guys. Very easy. Okay. So right now we're going to talk about the testnet. So for those of you that don't know what the testnet is, basically it allows you to test their software for the first time. So DApp Central, DApp, he's done a good job going through this. But if you are not in it, definitely check out the Meld Discord. So this is the Discord. This is for the Diamond Hands Lounge. So technically, you don't even need to be a holder. You just need to be watching Crypto Moose. But anyways, the point is, as a Diamond Hands holder, you will get early access to these different things that are coming out, these opportunities. So even if we take a look here, there should be something about the testnet. So here are screenshots. And that's what we're going to go over today. So that's what's very vital. That's what's important. All in all, I was impressed. I wouldn't say I was abashed. Nothing amazed me, but it was pretty good. So without trying to go through any of my personal information here, I got to be cautious. If you picked up a code, basically what you'd do is you would put /access, and then they would ask you for your email. Then they would send you an email. So here's my email, and I have a code up top. I am not going to reveal it, but what it tells you to do is head over to testnet.meld.com, which is going to be this site right here. You put in your code. Once you do that, you can create a wallet. So again, enter your access code, create a wallet, log in with Google. I had an issue the first time, so you're going to see this right here. So I'm just going to have to change up my camera angle and get into the testnet. So here we go. This is what the testnet looks like. I think it looks sweet. I was impressed. I think it looks good. Of course, it's going to be represented as T-Min, T-ADA, testnet, right? So pretty cool. And again, Meld is a lending and borrowing protocol. So for example, in this portfolio, we've got $27,000 and these are our assets. So 14,000 in the testnet are for MinSwap tokens. We have Cardano, which is represented as T-ADA. It will say ADA. So if we click that, we can see our balance. We can see our history. Looks like we can send it anywhere. This is what it's looking like. So for example, if you wanted to send Crypto Moose 2,000 coins, you would do that. And you would put in my address. So that's what you would do. So we're already going to have to blur out some things anyways. I already messed this up. So anyways, if you were to put an ADA handle, I actually don't know if it will work with an ADA handle. So let's try that out actually. So let's try to send that to Red Cape and hit send. Okay, so of course you're not going to be able to send it because it's a test net, but that would work. So that's really cool. But if we go to the supply and borrowing, I did mess around with this and I was pretty impressed. So let's say that you go to what I can supply. So again, you can borrow and lend and borrow with the assets that you have. So let's go to TATA and we're going to supply some TATA. Okay, and we'll do, let's say 25%. So 4,400 or 4,499. Let's hit confirm. This one does work, I believe. There we go. So there we go. We supplied 4,500 effectively TATA. So you will see this here, and then it will show what you've supplied. So I have done this previously, so you will see this represented here. So again, it just takes a bit of time. But all in all, I was pretty impressed. I think the workflow looks nice. I like this thing that is happening. So it feels cool in terms of, I guess if you were to say like web-based interactivity, it does look pretty sweet. So it does look good. You know, you have this nice flow from screen to screen. So let's say we have 2,000 world mobile tokens. This is in our wallet. If we were to go to supply and borrowing, we should be able to see everything that we're supplying and borrowing. So can supply, I guess we're still waiting for that one transaction to go through. Let's hit refresh here. So there we go. So it says supplied. I don't think it's even showing yet. So anyways, that's not showing yet. I know the internet's good, so it's not my fault. But all in all, I think it's looking cool. You're going to be able to do all this from your phone on the app. So that's going to be fantastic. This number, I believe this would be Meld. Yeah, I believe so. What is that? I don't know these numbers. I'm broke. Was that 2 billion? I'm not sure. I think it may be Meld, right? So if you had 27 Gs, that's what it would be. Of course, you're going to be able to see different assets in the future. Copy. So you have T Copy, really cool. I think this looks cool. And I like how it's all in one spot. Comment down below. What do you think of the Meld Testnet? Did you get in? If you want to know how to get in, again, I would mess around with the Discord. So that's what I would do. I would hop into the Meld Discord. This is their official page. So definitely comment down below if you want me to put it in the description. That will probably help you guys out. So again, you can see people access testnet. That's what you will put in. And you will get a code. So you also have these really cool articles right here. So it explains how the testnet works, how you get in. But again, all in all, I've been impressed. I think it looks cool. It's swift. I haven't seen any issues. I know it's just maybe acting a little slow right now for whatever reason. But if we go to supply and borrowing, here we go. Now we can see that we supplied 1,500 worth. Okay. So of course, this is a test net. So if we click here, we can see that here's our yield rate. So we're not going to be making a lot, but now we can borrow against this asset, right? I believe so anyways. Yeah. So we have 1,200 that we can borrow against. So if we hit borrow, we could borrow TATA. We could hit confirm. Etc. Right? So definitely really cool. I wish I knew more about, software to actually get into, what the problems are. I haven't found any issues. For me, it's just visually, what do I think is going to happen, right? I do know the basics of layer ones, layer twos, but I don't know the complexities of coding, right? To me, I'm impressed. I think the interface looks cool. Looks pretty sexy on my computer. Also, don't forget, links in the description below. We have links to the online courses that I've built. We have 3 of them. So use our coupon code. And yeah, let me know what you think about Meld in general. What other content you would like to see me cover in the future. Pick yourself up a hardware wallet. Pick up some Meld if you want, not financial advice. And yeah, that's all I have for you. So we will see you on the next episode. Cheers, everybody.